In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a SoFi bank account online. Something incredibly useful and convenient for managing your finances in 2025. With just a few clicks and some essential details, you'll be well on your way to seamless banking with SoFi. Let's kick things off by heading to the official SoFi website. Open up your browser, type in SoFi.com, and hit enter. When you land on the homepage, you'll see a range of options and services listed. What you need to do is focus on the banking tab, and under it, select checking and savings. This selection will lead you to a new page, and the next thing you'll want to do is hit that Get Started button. This will set the stage for beginning your account opening journey. As you move forward, you're entering the application phase. Here, the website will invite you to sign up with your email address and create a password. This step is crucial as it secures your account and establishes your online identity with SoFi. If you're looking for a more streamlined option, you can also sign up using your Google or Apple ID. It's all about your preference and what suits you best. Now it's time to fill in some personal information. You'll need to provide your full legal name, date of birth, and a US-based home address. Also, don't forget to add your phone number and email, as these are vital for communication and verification. An important aspect of this step is providing your social security number, which is necessary for identity verification. This information will help SoFi ensure your account is created accurately and securely. Next comes the identity verification process. SoFi will request a photo of your ID. This could be your driver's license, state ID, or even a passport. The website's easy-to-follow prompts will guide you in uploading these photos. Occasionally, there might be a need for you to answer some additional security questions. This is just another way for SoFi to ensure your account's security. Once your identity is verified, you'll encounter SoFi's terms and disclosures. This is a crucial step where you need to carefully review all the account agreements. It's important to understand the terms, as these will govern your relationship with SoFi. After reading through everything, check the boxes to confirm your agreement and proceed. To finalize your account setup, you'll need to fund your account. This involves linking an external bank account. SoFi offers you options here. You can use Plaid for a seamless connection or manually enter your routing and account numbers. While making an initial deposit is optional, it is necessary to start using your account actively. Finally, with all steps completed and approved, you'll gain immediate access to your new SoFi checking and savings dashboard. From here, you have the ability to order a SoFi debit card, set up direct deposit, or manage your funds with ease online. Congratulations on successfully opening your SoFi bank account. You're now equipped with a versatile financial tool right at your fingertips.